Okay, I was wrong. I didn't know. It wasn't in the rules. It wasn't on the website. I didn't know. I hadn't signed up yet at the time, the last video. Once you sign up and you download your welcome packet, the PDF actually tells you to use the hashtags that I didn't hash. Okay, so it does tell you to, use one of the variations of GGBO 23, 2023, Great Guitar Build Off 2023, whatever. Doing the playlist, of course I'm going to do the damn playlist. What I would like to do is a GGBO 23 playlist and then a separate playlist for each category. So if you could include one of the GGBO 23 variations and then the GGBO 23 scratch, kit, freestyle, community, whatever, for your categories. So looking at any given video, I know it's GGBO 23 and I know what category it is, so I can put them in the right playlist. If you can do that for me and share this far and wide so all the contestants know, it'll make it way easier to get everything into playlists so everybody can see the stuff. Right? Links will be in the description, and every video I put out will include all those links. So going forward through GGBO 23, any video should have links to those. When it comes to other platforms, Instagram and Facebook, I can't really help. You're kind of on your own. However, using the hashtags will help that for sure. And like the welcome packet says, at least, I don't know in the case of Facebook, but on Instagram, if you will tag Great Guitar Build Off, then it'll help put your stuff on their radar so they can get it in front of more people as well. So, I spoke too soon. I'm sorry. My apologies. They listened. They did a good job. And this is a good idea. So, if everybody can jump on board, help me out, help me, help you. Can we do that? Cool. On with the building. Happy building, everybody. Glad to see you. Glad to see you made it. Another year. Here we go. Okay, so as soon as I say, I don't know what I'm going to do, plans start just coming to me. I've never been able to explain it. It just happens. I think what I want to do this time is I need to come up with a model name for it. Just like I made for my son and then made for myself, because it turned out awesome enough I wanted one for myself. I think we're going to do basically the same thing. Basically the same hardware, same scale length, Gibson to Fender, lap dancer, body style. And I'm thinking this quilt, I'm thinking about a green to yellowish green kind of bursty thing. I have one gorgeous piece of Bacote left that I think may be the fretboard for this. Mahogany back, neck, I'm not sure yet. I have some material I can work with, but I kind of like to get to the wood shop and see what they might have for me before I really decide, because I kind of want to do a dark neck, but at the same time, I don't know. So I don't know just yet what the neck plan is, but I think this is maybe what we'll be doing. You know me, I could change my mind completely in 20 minutes. We'll see. But I'm anxious to put this gorgeous thing to use, and I think I know who would be best suited to receive it once it's put together too. So I got some plans. Anyway, I think maybe this is what we're doing. This, I think, is going to look real cool on those horns. I kind of wish we could go just a little bit higher, but we can't. So anyway, I think this is our GGBO 23 plan. At least it is for the moment. We'll see how it goes. Like, subscribe.